Cardiff City continue their unbeaten start to the League One season with a hard-fought 1-0 win at Luton Town. It was a night that demanded resilience from Brian Barry Murphy's side, who had to dig deep at Kenilworth Road before Chris Willock delivered the decisive blow in the second half. The game's only goal arrived in the 68th minute when Willock, alert to space on the edge of the box, rifled a precise strike into the bottom corner. It was a finish worthy of winning any contest and ensured the Bluebirds recorded a third successive victory, underlining their strong opening to the campaign. Before that moment, chances had been plentiful at both ends. Cardiff had threatened through Callum Robinson, who almost caught home goalkeeper Josh Keeley off his line with an audacious attempt from halfway, while Ruben Colwill also forced a save. Luton, meanwhile, saw Nahki Wells pass up several opportunities, rolling one wide and following another over. Nathan Trott was inspired from the visitors' goal, denying George Shavel's half volley, parrying from Lasse Nordas and gathering Chris McCorsa's fierce drive. That miss proved costly as Willock's finishing moments later shifted momentum in Cardiff's favour. Even so, the Hatters pressed late on, with Nordas testing Trott once more. Cardiff, though, almost doubled their advantage when Colwill raced clear but dinked narrowly wide. It mattered little in the end as Barry Murphy's men saw out the closing stages with discipline and maturity. The manager was full of praise afterwards, highlighting his team's commitment in what he called a very difficult game with chances for both sides. For Cardiff, the clean sheet was every bit as valuable as the 3 points, demonstrating the balance they are striking between defensive resilience and attacking efficiency. For Luton, a second defeat in 3 leaves questions to answer after their promising start, but Cardiff returned to South Wales buoyed by momentum and growing belief.